like a little project here is gonna make you real popular with the kids, and that's for sure.
My dudes, what the fuck is going on? If you just watched the most previous video on ThrashedTV, which you can find down below, you will know that I have been gifted with an incredible Evile unboxing, and now it is time to take the sleeves off of this Evile t-shirt. This t-shirt's fucking sick, because as we know, unless it's a four-sided long sleeve, the sleeves serve no purpose. This is going to get in the way of you drinking your apple juice, your Mountain Dew, whatever the fuck you want to drink. We're not here to judge. But regardless, these sleeves do nothing for you, so I want to educate y'all motherfuckers on how to cut some sleeves off.
Remember I told you about thinking about each word before you say it? One of those words isn't real.
This Evile is a size medium, which is what I normally wear. This waist shirt is a size large, which is going to be turned into more of a tank top. But what I wanted to show you dudes is that when you're cutting off t-shirts, as a general rule of thumb, you see this little stitching right here? This is a make or break of the t-shirt. So if you know you're going to fucking destroy that inner sleeve, you're just going to cut like an inch within it, and so that way you can get some nice pectorals going, or you know, if you have boobs, you can get some side boobage going.
How about that side boob? That turn you on? Well, it shouldn't, 'cause that's my side boob.
That way you can show off the artwork better, and people are looking at your arms, because it's all about the legs and the arms, right? So, without further ado, let's grab the official, where it's in my nutsack, the Thrash skizzers, and let's fucking get to it.
You already had surgery down there. You don't need round two.
The frenulum already got divided. Don't worry about it, ladies and germs.
My crank works just great.
Okay.
Alright, so the first t-shirt that we have going right now is the brand new Evile Hell Unleashed in a medium. So with my medium t-shirts, because they fit a bit better to me, first thing you want to do is lay it flat. So both sides and both armholes have equidistant to the seam.
What was that word?
Equidistant.
What does that word mean?
Equal distant. So you want
Language of origin?
English, motherfucker! Do you speak it? Yes!
So you're going to get a little piece of fabric. I usually go about 1 inch on these, and as a metalhead and an inebriated guy, I can already see where I need to cut. So I like to go maybe 1 inch or less into the t-shirt and get a nice parabola going. Parabola is math for a nice arc.
Stop using all these $10 words.
And there you have it. You have a nice fresh cut, and then flip it over to the back to make sure you didn't fuck up the back print, because I unironically destroyed an Unnatural Selection Havoc t-shirt cutting the back too much, and it now says in the natural election. So we're going to get the back part, do the same thing, stretch it 1 inch from the seam, and just go at it, and before you know it, your Hell Unleashed shirt is ready to be worn. If you want to take it one step ahead, you can do the Chris Thrash special. If you're a sweaty motherfucker, you can put it down and fucking take out the collar. Now what I like to do is to do 1 incision at the top right before the seam, flip it over, do another incision right here. And this way, when you're sweating in the pit, make your life a lot easier. It's one side done. Do the same thing, try to get as level as possible with where you started your first incision. And what I like to do after cutting a fresh t-shirt, because there's going to be some extra linens in there after you finish making your incisions. And there you have it. This t-shirt is ready to be worn at a concert near you, or to get a shawarma, or whatever the fuck you want to do, but your Evile shirt is now ready.
Now, that's a good thing.
Now, that's a good thing.
We have lots more coming up for you.
I feel...
Flex tape.
Does your hair get caught in your pins? We have new merch! Now, I'm going to teach you how to do a tank top. Let's say you have a shirt that's in a bigger size. But for me, that would be a large, and I like to turn these into tank tops. So,
Way to brag.
So what you're going to want to do is grab a dank basketball jersey. Maybe one provided by your cousins Steven and Nicole. I love you too. With the last name on the back, I love it. This is just going to be used as your guide. In general, when you're trying to do a tank top design with anything, You want to get a little bit lower on the lats over here and then come up sharply. So we got the municipal waist ready to go. I got this t-shirt in 2016 when they came to Toronto on a headline tour. It's got the fucking beerinator on the front. Like, how can you not love this shirt? So you've got it laid out nicely. You've pulled the sleeve enough so you're not taking too much out. And you want to show off the lats.
I'm just a lat guy, you know? I've got these amazing lats and I'm just living in an ab guy's world.
So like go 2 inches down here and then come up nicely like so. So you get that 1 inch margin again like we did with the other. Real quick, we didn't destroy the municipal waist on the back, so we're good to go. Make sure you stretch out the fucking arm sleeve so you're cutting equal amounts, not equidistant amount, because I used too many $10 words apparently. And we start 2 inches from the bottom and we work our way up. Then if you want to do the Chris Thrash special, 1 incision at the top of the neckline before the seam, flip it around, do the exact same thing on the back, and then we're going to start with the first incision, go right above the seam. You want to keep the seam intact for the neckline because once the neckline starts to fray, the artwork will go in no time. With sleeves, it's different. There's no artwork on sleeves, so there's really no point in having them. Perfect. Neckline a bit, and you're done. Your municipal waist t-shirt is ready to be worn in the pit to your family functions, and you have the most amount of testosterone because your armpits are waving in the wind. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to hit like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, follow us on social media. What the fuck else you want? Get out of here.